Hi everyone, Mandy here from ProBathBombs.com. Today I'm going to review the fragrance oils from CandleScience. Please note that I was not paid for this review and all opinions are my own based on my use of these oils. So let's jump in. CandleScience produces and sells skin-safe fragrance oils for a variety of uses, including bath bombs, soaps, and candles. They offer numerous scents at affordable prices. The prices depend on the scent and the volume purchased, but for a 4-ounce bottle of fragrance oils from CandleScience, it typically cost around $7 to $9, which is very comparable to other companies' price points. Shipping took about a week, which was about what I expected. There are many companies that sell fragrances, but not all fragrances are created equal. Many ingredients that go into making fragrance oils can have various adverse effects on the human body. So one thing that I love about CandleScience is that they've made it their mission to create fragrances that are free of carcinogens, materials known or thought to cause cancer, mutagens, materials that change the DNA of a cell, harming the cell and causing diseases like cancer, reproductive toxins, toxins that adversely affect reproductive organs and increase the risk of birth defects, organ toxins. These are toxins that can cause adverse effect or disease within specific bodily organs, and acute toxins, toxins that can cause adverse effects from a single exposure. Generally, this would be accidental exposure like spillage or ingestion. So if you're concerned about the fragrances you are currently using, look carefully over the SDS or the safety data sheet that every supplier should provide with each fragrance. The SDS will include information such as chemical properties, physical and or environmental health hazards, and safety precautions, among a lot of other information. CandleScience encourages consumers to stay away from any of these 3 pictograms that you may find on some safety data sheets. You may already know that the Research Institute for Fragrance Material conducts the research on fragrances, and then the International Fragrance Association, the IFRA, sets standards based on the research done. CandleScience saw an opportunity to go above and beyond the IFRA standards by creating an even higher standard that they want to achieve. And that's where their Clean Scents line came from. Their standards for these scents is to create safe fragrances without compromising on scent or performance. They set standards that haven't been seen in the fragrance industry before, which is amazing and ethical. Their ultimate goal is to have all of their fragrances join the Clean Scents line. It's an impressive feat that they are undertaking, so I want to share my experience with their Clean Scents. The fragrance oils themselves from this line seem more potent compared to other companies, so I'm able to use less in my bath bombs without losing the level of scent I'm going after. This makes them more efficient and cost effective. I've also noticed that when I've left 2 bath bombs out in the open air, one is made with a CandleScience fragrance and the other has a fragrance from a different company, the CandleScience fragrance holds its scent stronger and longer. So now I want to go over what I feel are the pros and cons of CandleScience scents. First, I think the biggest pro is their commitment to provide clean scents and give their customers peace of mind. This is huge in a world that's become so aware of things like this. Second, they also have a large variety of scents to choose from, with a few of my favorites being sea salt and orchid, grapefruit and mint, and oak moss and amber. Third, while I haven't tested this in any scientific way, their scents do seem more potent, so I can use less, which stretches my money further. Fourth, they offer small 1-ounce bottles for about $3, so you can easily and affordably try a scent before you commit to a larger bottle. I love that they do this. And fifth, their customer service has been fantastic. The only con that I can come up with is that they don't have many sugary sweet scents or perfume copycats that many other companies have. I recently asked them if they had any plans to add scents like these or perfume copycats. They said that they don't have any plans for them right now and that they prefer to create their own scents that are inspired by others. This one con is not even close to a deal breaker for me. I love using the CandleScience fragrance oils that I have, and I would absolutely recommend them to anyone who uses fragrance oils, and especially for those who want safer products in their homes and around their families. I also appreciate that their oils are affordable. I feel that they could charge a lot more for their clearly superior products, but they don't. Simply put, they offer better, cleaner fragrance oils at a very affordable price, and I think that's something that anyone can get behind. And that's it for my thoughts about fragrance oils from CandleScience. If you're new to fragrance oils and would like to learn more, I cover how to use fragrance oils in depth in my online course, including how to calculate percentages based on the IFRA limits and use them safely. You can find all of this this in my online course called Pro Bath Bombs, where you can watch over 100 videos that go over every aspect of making bath bombs and how to create a successful business with them. So be sure to visit probathbombs.com, where I have a free 45-minute training where I give you my top 10 secrets to creating amazing bath bombs, as well as an inside look at my full bath bomb course. Links are also in the description. I hope this video has helped you decide if CandleScience is the right fit for you and your needs. I've got links in the description to their website as well as their clean line. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future, and if you have any further questions, please let me know.